Hello dear students, today I am discuss about Laplace transform of function ft divided by t, division by t, means that is very important formula. Okay, function divided by t means if LFT equals to Fs bar, that is Laplace transform of ft is Fs bar, then Laplace transform of ft divided by t equals to s to infinity Fs bar ds. Clear? This is the formula. If LFT equals to Fs bar, then LFT upon t equals to this. Integral of LFT Fs bar. Okay. Its proof is very simple. We can prove it. We have what? Fs bar equals to what? 0 to infinity e to the power minus st ft dt. We know this. So for getting this result, we can use integration on both sides. Okay, so integrate on both sides with respect to s, from s to infinity Fs bar ds equals to s to infinity 0 to infinity e to the power minus st ft dt ds. Here we integrate both sides with respect to s, from s to infinity. Okay, in this relation we know the from formula we have integrate both sides from s to infinity. Now you know about double integration, change of order integration. So here we write like this: 0 to infinity, change the order of integration, then s to infinity e to the power minus st ds ft dt. We can write like this: change the order of integration, dt ds, then ds dt. Here 0 to infinity first and then s to infinity. Now integration with respect to s to infinity is limit of ds, so ds s to infinity. Okay, this is the integration. Now we can solve it: 0 to infinity, integrate it with respect to s, e to the power minus s ts, t will be constant in this case. So integration is minus st upon minus t and limit from s to infinity and ft dt. Okay, now apply this limit. You know, when we apply this limit, s in place of s, infinity means e tending to s tending to infinity. So this will be 0 minus of, in place of s put s, e to the power minus st. So 0 minus minus e to the power minus st, minus and minus plus. So we get here 0 to infinity plus e to the power minus st upon t ft dt. Okay, and this can be written like this: 0 to infinity e to the power minus st ft upon t dt. So by original definition of Laplace transform, this will be what? 0 to infinity e to the power minus st, this is ft. So L of ft by t. So this can be written Laplace transform of ft by t. So we got the formula. This is equals to this. That means Laplace transform of ft upon t equals to s to infinity fs bar ds. That is the formula. Okay. So very important formula. By using this formula, we can find the value of integrals, and all important questions are solved by this formula. Okay, so remember it. What is here? If we have a function ft and its Laplace transform is f bar s, then this function is divided by t, and Laplace transform of this is the integration of this, that is fs bar from s to infinity. Okay, so very important formula. Note it. For example, suppose, very simple example. What? Very simple example means, for solving, suppose find sin 2t upon t, Laplace transform of this. Very simple example of this formula. Okay, Laplace transform of sin 2t upon t. What will be the value? Since we know that sin, this may be ft or this is t, ft by t. And if this is ft and its Laplace transform is, we know its Laplace transform here. Since Laplace transform of sin 2t equals to what? 2 upon s square plus 2a square means 4. Its Laplace transform ft. Therefore, Laplace transform of sin 2t, this is fs bar, this is ft, this is what? Ft. So Laplace transform of ft by t means sin 2t by t is equals to s to infinity fs bar, that means 2 by s square plus 4, 2 by s square plus 4 and ds, and you have to solve this integral only. Okay, so 2 s to infinity 1 upon s square plus 2 square ds. This can be solved how? 2 into 1 upon x square plus a square, 1 upon a tan inverse x by a, that is 1 upon a means 2 tan inverse s by 2, and apply limit s to infinity, and its value can be found 2 to cancel, tan inverse s by 2, tan inverse s by 2 at s equals to infinity minus tan inverse s in place of s by 2. This is tan inverse infinity means this is pi by 2 minus tan inverse s by 2. We can write it like this. So this is the Laplace transform of sin 2t by t. Okay. Here we can write also it as cot inverse s by 2. Since we know that formula, what? Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equals to pi by 2. We know this is a trigonometric formula. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equals to pi by 2. That's why we can write like this. What? Pi by 2 minus tan inverse x means cot inverse x. X means s by 2. So this is Laplace transform of sin 2t by 2. This is the simple application of this property. Very, very useful property. Okay. So remember it. Or take a very, very important questions. Find the Laplace transform of 1 minus t upon t square. Laplace transform of 1 minus cos t upon t square. Okay, we have to find this. Very, very important questions. So let us find it now. Okay. Solution. Here we can consider this is ft. 1 minus cos t means ft. Ft divided by t 2 times. First of all, when ft means 1 minus cos t. First, find Laplace transform of this, Laplace transform of this, that will be f bar s. So Laplace transform of ft upon t, that is this by t, is integration of this 1 times t. Clear? And again, suppose this is ft. 1 minus cos t by t is ft. Then it's when we got its Laplace transform, then again using this property, this by t means t square, and again use that formula, we can find Laplace transform successfully 2 times. Okay, so here first of all we have to find Laplace transform of 1 minus cos t. We have Laplace transform of 1 minus cos t. 1 minus cos t equals to Laplace transform of L1 minus Laplace transform of cos t. This is equals to what? Laplace transform of 1 means 1 by s minus Laplace transform of t means cos t means s upon s square plus a square. A means 1. Okay. So Laplace transform of this is equals to this. Suppose this is f bar s. This is ft means lft equals to f bar s. Therefore, now by using Laplace transform of division by t, Laplace transform of ft divided by t, we get here lft. Okay, we have lft equals to here ft means 1 minus cos t. Clear? By using division formula, Laplace transform of ft by t, that is Laplace transform of 1 minus cos t upon t equals to s to infinity fs bar ds, that is s to infinity 1 upon s minus s upon s square plus 1 ds. Okay. Clear? Now, integration of 1 by s means log s. Integration, distribute and integrate it. 1 by s, integration of 1 by s log of s minus s upon s square plus 1. For integrating it with respect to s, you have to put s square plus 1 equals to t. Then 2s ds equals to dt. S ds equals to dt by 2. S ds equal to dt by 2. 1 by t dt by 2. Log t by 2. 1 by 2. Log t means s square plus 1. So half log of s square plus 1. This is the integration of this, and we have to apply limit s to infinity. Okay, so this is equals to, we can solve it. How? Taking LCM, 2 log s minus log s square plus 1 upon this s to infinity. 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 log 2 log s means 2 can be taken here in the power of s. So log s square minus log s square plus 1 means log a minus b means log a by b. So log s square by s square plus 1. So log s square upon s square plus 1. And we have to apply limit s to infinity. Okay. So we get like this. Laplace transform of 1 minus cos t upon t is equals to, here apply limit, first half limit s tending to infinity log of s square upon s square plus 1. First you have to put s tending to infinity minus in place of s, so minus log of s square upon s square plus 1. Okay, clear? Here now its value will be what? 0. How? Here since limit s tending to infinity log of s square upon s square plus 1 equals to limit s tending to infinity log of 1 upon 1 plus 1 by s square. We can write like this, divided by s square. So here s tending to infinity, this is tending to 0, log 1 0, that is equals to 0. Okay, so this is equals to what? 0 minus of minus, this is 0 minus log of s square upon s square plus 1. Okay, 1 by 2 of this, half 0 minus this is equals to minus 1 by 2 log s square upon s square plus 1. So this is Laplace transform of 1 minus cos t upon t. Okay, so now we write, again use the division formula for Laplace transform. Okay, again using division by t formula, division by t formula. Okay, division by t formula means we have t by t. So Laplace transform of ft, here now ft means this 1 minus cos t upon t by t means t square equals to s to infinity. For formula fs bar, that means Laplace transform of this, that is this. So minus of half log s square upon s square plus 1 ds. Okay, now our main work is finding this integral, value of this integral, that will be the final answer. Okay, so How can find this integral, value of this integral? Generally, for finding value of integration of log x, what we do? Log x into 1. 1 is second function. Log x is first function. Clear? In a similar fashion, here, for finding this integral, value of this integral, this is constant. Minus half is constant outside of the integral. Okay? And integral of log of something, that is s to infinity log of s square upon s square plus 1. This is, and 1 is this, and ds. This is second function, this is first function. Suppose and use by parts for solving this integral. Okay. First part, so this is equals to minus half first part, integration of second as first part and as it is s square upon s square plus 1 minus of by parts s to infinitive derivative of first, also integration of second, suppose s derivative of first, so log of this 1 upon s square plus 1, so that is s square plus 1 upon s square, and again differentiation of s square by s square plus 1, that is quotient rule. By using quotient rule, derivative of this log of this 1 upon this, okay, again differentiation of this with respect to s, here division numerator denominator, so we have to apply that formula, denominator square s square plus 1 square, denominator s square plus 1 into derivative of numerator 2s minus numerator s square, derivative of denominator 2s. This is the derivative of log s square upon s square plus 1. Okay. And total is integrated with respect to s. Clear? Now, this is equals to minus half s log s square upon s square plus 1 s to infinity. Okay, by parts with limit. So first part limit s to infinity, and second part again integration. Here minus half for minus half value of this at s equals to infinity, that is s tending to infinity. So limit s tending to infinity of s log s square upon s square plus 1 minus value of this at s equals to s, that is s log s square upon s square plus 1. Okay. This is the value minus s to infinity. Here we see that s square plus 1, here s square plus 1 power 1 2, so 1 power cancel, and s 2s 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 common, we can take common 2s square by s square, s square cancel 2 2, here 2 common, so this s square cancel, this is cancel, s denominator is s square plus 1. Okay, and here this cancel 1 power cancel, 2s cancel. Okay, s square plus 1 minus s square, s square plus 1 minus s square means s square cancel, here 1, so 1 upon this ds. Clear? Okay, so proceed. After this line we get this is equals to what? Value of this will be what? Since finding limiting value, so since limit s tending to infinitive, limit s tending to infinitive s log s square by s square plus 1 equals to, here we see that we can write s into log 1 upon 1 plus 1 by s square. This upon this limit s tending to infinity, because we have to find the limit, है ना? So s can be written 1 by s in denominator. It can be written like this, divided by s square in numerator and denominator, log 1 upon 1 plus 1 by s square. So if s tending to infinity, then we will get this is 0, log 1 0, numerator 0, here also 1 by s infinity 0, 0 by 0, 0 by 0 form, 0 by 0 form. So for finding limit by L'Hospital rule, we have to differentiate it on both side. Okay, first of all just we have to write this here, minus 2 s to infinity 1 upon s square plus 1 ds, this quantity. Now we are solving this. Okay, so 0 by 0 form. So for finding this limit, we have to differentiate numerator and denominator by L'Hospital rule. So here limit s tending to infinity 1 by s, 1 by s, derivative of 1 by s minus derivative of s minus 1 d by ds minus 1 s square minus 1 by s square. Okay, minus 1 upon s square. Also differentiate it. The log of this 1 upon this, that means 1 plus 1 by s square, and also differentiate this. Log of this differentiation with respect to s. Clear? So 1 upon this means 1 plus 1 by s square, and here will be derivative of 1 upon 1 plus 1 by s square. Differentiation of this with respect to s, d by ds, that is what? S square upon s square plus 1 d by ds. This is equals to what? S square plus 1 square, s square plus 1 s square plus 1 into 2s minus s square and 2s. This is equals to what? 2s common, 2s common, s square plus 1 minus s square 1 upon s square plus 1 square. Here 2s upon s square plus 1 square. Okay, so derivative of this, so we have to write here 2s upon s square plus 1, s square plus 1 square, derivative of this upon this. Okay, and finally we see here, after solving this, this is s square plus 1 upon s square into 2s upon s square plus 1 square into s square, come to the numerator, and minus 1, limit as tending to infinity. Okay, this is equals to 0. You can see here s square cancel, s square plus 1 value is cancel, so minus 2 upon, we get the value of this as equals to limit s tending to infinity minus 2 upon minus 2s upon s square plus 1. This can be written like this, minus 2 upon s plus 1 by s, limit s tending to infinity. Here s tending to infinity, infinity plus 1 by infinity plus 0, that is 1 upon infinity equals to 0. So this is equals to 0, minus half, here minus half this is equals to 0, minus of this, minus of s log s square upon s square plus 1. This is our integration. Okay, so here very important point is here, the limit of this, first limit of this is equals to 0. Okay, because 0 by 0 form, so by using L'Hospital rule, derivative upon derivative, 0 by 0 form, so by L'Hospital rule we get this, and this by this you can adjust like this, so limit is this equals to 0. So finally we get like this. Now this is equals to minus half minus s log s square upon s square plus 1, minus 1 upon s square plus 1, integration tan inverse s. So tan inverse s to limit s to infinity. Okay, now we can erase it. Okay, so finally our required Laplace transform will be like this, minus half minus s log s square upon s square plus 1, minus of 2 tan inverse infinity means pi by 2 minus tan inverse s. Okay, so this is equals to, multiply it, minus plus half s log s square upon s square plus 1, and minus plus, so 2 cancel, plus pi minus 2, sorry, minus half, so my half is here, half 2 cancel. Okay, here 2 cancel, so pi by 2, this is pi by 2 minus of minus plus, and this is minus plus, so this is plus, this is minus tan inverse s. Okay, now we can write pi by 2 minus tan inverse s equals to cot inverse s. So half s log s square upon s square plus 1 plus cot inverse s. So this is our final answer, cot inverse s plus s by 2 log of s square upon s square plus 1. So this is lengthy questions, so very important questions, also note down it. Okay, so Laplace transform of this, Laplace transform of 1 minus cos t upon t square. Also these questions was asked in the CSUT exam, so prepare it. Here write tan inverse S plus cot inverse S is equals to pi by 2. Okay, that's why we can write pi by 2 minus tan inverse S equals to cot inverse S. So this is our final answer. Okay. Take a question. Find Laplace transform of t0 to t. These questions we have to find Laplace transform of t 0 to t e to the power minus t sin t upon t dt. We have to find this. Okay, this is minus t sin t by t dt. Okay, find Laplace transform of this. Clear? Here maximum properties are involved for solving these questions. Laplace transform of this. First of all, to solve this, we know that Laplace transform of sin t equals to what? 1 upon s square plus 1. Clear? Then sin t by t implies Laplace transform of sin t upon t. Now we will use division rule. Sin t, ft is divided by t. So sin t by t, ft by t. This is equals to integration. Integration of s to infinity. So ft by t, integration s to infinity, fs bar ft lft 1 upon s square plus 1 ds. Clear? By using the Laplace transform of the function divided by t, this integration. Now integration of this 1 upon x square plus 1 means tan inverse s. You have to apply limit s to infinity. Clear? So tan inverse s, tan inverse infinity means pi by 2 minus tan inverse s. So this is equals to cot inverse s. Okay, so Laplace transform of sin t by t equals to cot inverse s. Okay, now by using shifting property, sin t by t, this is e to the power minus t. You know shifting property. What is shifting property? E to the power at ft equals to f bar s minus a. This is shifting property, first shifting property. By using shifting property, we can find Laplace transform of this completely. E to the power minus t, e to the power at ft. ft is means this sin t upon t. This is equals to shifting property. F bar s in place of s minus a. That is here a means minus 1, s minus 1, s plus 1. So it's Laplace transform of this. So this is equals to quad inverse s plus 1, s minus 1 by using shifting property. Okay, this is shifting property like this. Okay, now Laplace transform of this is equals to this. Now using Laplace transform of integral. Laplace transform of integral. So Laplace transform of integral by using Laplace transform of integral, we get Laplace transform of integral 0 to t fu du is equals to what? 1 by s f bar s. Okay, clear? This is Laplace transform of integral of ft is equals to this lft divided by s. So here Laplace transform of this is equals to this. That's why if integral of this, Laplace transform of integral of this is equals to this divided by s. So by this property, Laplace transform of integral of 0 to t e to the power minus t sin t upon t dt. This is equals to 1 upon s cot inverse s plus 1. Now finally we have to find this. Here Laplace transform of this is equals to this. Now if it is suppose ft, then tft. So by using Laplace transform of function multiplied by t. So now finally using Laplace transform of function multiplied by t, that is L T F T equals to t to the power 1 minus 1 to the power 1 dy ds of f bar s. This is the property. Okay, so here Laplace transform of t multiplied by this total ft, that is 0 to t e to the power minus t sin t upon t dt. This is equals to t power 1, so minus 1 power 1 d by ds cot inverse s plus 1 upon s. Okay, now solve it and you can get the result. Okay, so differentiate it. Differentiate it. Minus 1 minus sign. Quotient rule. numerator upon denominator. S square, denominator square, denominator into differentiation of numerator, that is minus 1 upon 1 plus x square, that is 1 plus s plus 1 square, minus numerator cot inverse s plus 1 into differentiation of denominator s 1. Okay, so this is equals to minus here taking LCM and solving it, s plus 1 square. S plus 1 square means s square plus 1 square plus 2s. S square plus 1 plus 1 2. S square plus 2 plus 2s. So taking LCM also. So here minus s minus s minus this is multiplied to this, so s square plus 2 plus 2s cot inverse s plus 1 divided by s square plus 2 plus 2s s square. This is equals to, you can write minus minus common plus, so s plus s square plus 2s plus 2 cot inverse s plus 1 upon s square plus 2s plus 2. This is Laplace transform of this. Okay, here in these questions maximum properties are involved. So by using properties of Laplace transform we can solve different type of problems. So try to solve some questions. Okay. Now Laplace transform can be used for finding the value of definite integrals with limit 0 to infinite. How? We know if L ft equals to f is bar. Suppose Laplace transform of this function we know f is bar. Then this is function of s. Here according to definition 0 to infinite e to the power minus st ft dt. Here f bar s function of s. Now if we want to find the integral of ft dt 0 to infinity. Suppose we want to find this integral, then here this should be 1. So now we can suppose s tending to 0, put s equals to 0 also. So s tending to 0, put s equals to 0, then this will be 1. So as this 0 to infinite e to the power minus 0t means 1. So ft dt, value of the integral is given by this, where s equals to 0. Maybe suppose we want to find the value of e to the power minus, here with ft, here suppose we want to find the value of 0 to infinity e to the power minus 5t ft dt, then s can be tending to 5. So then s equals to 5 e to the power minus 5t. Here s equals to 5. So we can find the integral. So this is the technique. So by using this technique, find the value of the integral. Here we take equations. Find the value of integral minus t cos at minus cos bt by t dt 0 to infinity. Evaluate 0 to infinity e to the power minus t cos at minus cos bt upon t. Okay. Evaluate this integral by using Laplace transform. By using Laplace transform. Okay. So our method is what? We have to suppose this is ft, and we also find LFT, that is L of this, Laplace transform of this. So solution. We know that Laplace transform of cos at, what? S upon s square plus a square, and Laplace transform of sin at equals to a upon cos bt, cos bt, s upon s square plus b square. Okay, Laplace transform this and this. So implies Laplace transform of cos at minus cos bt equals to s upon s square plus a square minus s upon s square plus b square. Laplace transform of this is equals to this. Therefore, Laplace transform of this divided by t by division formula implies Laplace transform of cos at, here we have to solve because division. Now Laplace transform of cos at minus cos bt upon t equals to integration of function divided by t, that is division rule, s to infinity fs bar, and its Laplace transform was what? Half s square, s upon s square plus a square minus s upon s square plus b square, this. Okay, so solving this integral, what? For first integral, solving half log s square plus a square. How? If you put s square plus a square equals to t in first integral, then 2s ds equals to dt, s ds equals to dt by 2, s ds dt by 2, 1 by t dt log t, 1 by 2 log t. Log t means this, 1 by 2 log this. Similarly, minus of half log s square plus b square as to infinity. Here limit is here. Okay. Now this is equals to what? Half log s square plus a square upon s square plus b square as to infinity. Okay. Now at the time of putting limit here, s square common, then s square common, 1 plus a square by s square, 1 plus b square by s square, a square by s square means 1 by infinity 0, b square by s square means 1 by infinity 0. So s square cancel, log 1 0. So first value is 0. Second value minus of s, in place of s this. So this is equals to minus of 1 by 2 log of s square plus a square upon s square plus b square. You can write like this also, 1 by 2 log of minus sign go to the power, so invert it, s square plus b square upon s square plus a square. So this is Laplace transform of this is equals to this. Now final value we require this. So for this, how can we get the result? This integral here, just now write, we get this equals to half log s square plus b square by s square plus a square. Okay, we got this. Clear? We get this. So now for finding this integral, this quantity is same, ft. So we can use Laplace transform, definition of Laplace transform, LFT. Ft means 0 to infinite e to the power minus st total ft, that is cos at minus cos bt upon t e to the minus st ft dt. Okay, and right hand side is 1 by 2 log of s square plus b square by s square plus a square. Okay, now we require the value of this integral. So here s is equals to 1, we see. So putting s equals to 1, we get the result, 0 to infinity e to the power minus t s1 and cos at minus cos bt upon t dt equals to s equals to 1. So here s equals to 1 by 2 log of 1 plus b square, 1 plus b square upon 1 plus a square. Then this is the answer. Okay, so value of this integral is this. So you can also find the integrals by using Laplace transform, using this type of integral where e to the power minus something. So s is equals to whatever be there, you can put s equals to, then you can find the value of the integral like this. Okay. Now time for questions. Giving questions for attendance. You have to reply me before 5:30 or 5 p.m. Okay. So questions. First questions. Evaluate e to the power minus 4t sin 3t by t. Evaluate Laplace transform of e to the power minus 4t sin 3t by t. E to to the power minus 4t sin 3t by t, sin 3t by t. Okay, then sin t by t, sin t by t, 0 to infinity. Find evaluate the Laplace transform of cos at minus cos bt upon t plus t sin at. Okay. Third, find the values of integral 0 to infinity sin t by t dt and 0 to infinity e to the power minus t sin t by t, sin t by t e to the power minus t, and sin t by t this, and fourth question is find Laplace transform of e to the power minus at minus e to the power minus bt upon t. Okay, first question is this, second question is this, third question is find the values of this and this integral, and fourth question is find Laplace transform of e to the power minus at minus e to the power minus bt upon t. Okay, important questions. These are the important questions. You have to solve this. Very simple. First questions. How can you solve it? You know Laplace transform of this 3 by s square plus 9. So Laplace transform of this means division formula, integral of s to infinity 3 by s square plus 9, integrate it. Then you can get Laplace transform of this. Again applying shifting property, so you can get the result. Here just we have done this part. Okay, to find Laplace transform of distributed L of this plus Laplace transform of this. You can also find it multiplication rule, sin a by s square plus a square and multiplied by t. Apply this, two Laplace transform are getting and reduce to the answer. Okay, find the value of these two integrals. You can find sin t, you know Laplace transform, sin t by t also, that you can find the Laplace transform of this and apply the definition of Laplace transform and s tending to 0 here. Here s tending to minus 1 by using shifting property. You have to first find Laplace transform of this and then apply definition of Laplace transform and s tending to 1. Here you can find Laplace transform of this. Very simple, only initial formula apply here and here also, then division formula. So these are the questions you have to reply before 5 p.m. today. Okay.